Okay, I know one of the things you all are probably encountering is downloading images from Chat GPT, and it's got all this mess with it. It's a web file instead of a JPEG or a PNG. And all you have to do is right click on the file and say open with photos and go over here, save as, name it something that is relevant. Uh, to make sure you change this file type to JPEG or PNG and save it where you know where it's going to be. And that's it. You're going to have you a JPEG. Simple as that. You do want to name it something relevant to the image because when uh, when they crawl your site, then they're going to be able to read what the image is by the file name. And also write in your alternate text because that's going to help. All of this is going to help with search engine optimization. All right. Thank y'all for watching. Give me a like, give me a subscribe if you want more of these short, quick, to the point videos. Oh,